Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the blown-out whites that sometimes appear after exporting videos shot on an iPhone. As you can see, the video on the right has completely blown out highlights. But here's the interesting part. This is actually the exact same clip after export. Inside Premiere Pro, everything looks perfectly normal on the timeline. However, as soon as you switch to the export window, the colors suddenly change and the highlights become overexposed. The same issue can also happen in After Effects. In some cases, the footage may even look blown out directly in the timeline. Fortunately, the fix is very simple. Just follow these steps. First, let's start in Premiere Pro. In the Project panel, right-click on your footage, then go to Modify and select Interpret Footage. Under the Color Management section, choose the correct color space for your clip. Once you apply the change, you'll notice that the colors immediately return to normal. Your exported video will now match what you see in the timeline without any blown-out highlights. Now let's do the same thing in After Effects. In the Project panel, right-click on your footage and choose Interpret Footage greater than Main. Then, under the Color Management section, select the correct color space. After applying the setting, you'll see the footage return to its proper colors. This ensures that both your composition and your final render display accurate colors. This issue is especially common with HDR footage recorded on iPhones.